Good afternoon. I am Jeff from JT's Landscaping. As you can see, I got the Bobcat mini excavator over here across the street by the pond. I want to cut this pine tree log up that was knocked over. I have the thumb and the bucket on it to hold it up, so as I cut down and undercut it, it won't bind up my chainsaw. Again, I am Jeff from JT's Landscaping. Please give me some thumbs up after the video. Leave some comments. I enjoy reading them. I do respond to them. Hit the notification bell, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Enjoy. All right, ready? Do with this log, cut it up into 6-foot lengths, and I'm going to bring it over and use it on my sawmill. So my son's going to take it off the log right now. Go up a little bit. Right there's good, not too far up. So I'm trying to pick it up and swing over the stump. Okay, pick it up. There you go. A little more. Bring it towards you now. Yeah, okay. Now swing it if you can. Back up. Back the machine up. Keep the blade low. Okay, now back up. That's perfect. Okay. Now go to your right. Yeah. That's okay. It's gonna drag. Don't worry. Don't drop it. So I'm bringing it towards me so I can cut up into 6-foot lengths. Can you swing it my way? You get more power that way. That's it. I know. You want to pause it? You throw it? No. I'm just going to leave it here. I'm going to cut a 6-foot piece out of it. bit, go up a little bit, drag it over. Cover the bucket a little bit, that's all. That thumb really holds a lot, so. There you go. Now, there you go. How you doing, Con? Smile. Here he goes. Okay, just pick it up from there. Right there. I cut another 6 feet off already. You're hitting that other tree. You gotta go up. There you go. Raise the bucket up. Okay, now go in. There you go. Just hold it right. That's good. All right, just like that. That's fine. Okay. Yep. I taught him well. Actually, my father, his grandfather taught him well. Look at that. For a little E35, it's pretty powerful. Bring it down and I cut it right there. Very good. There he goes. Boy, this backhoe is really nice. I used to do this by hand, and the chain would get stuck and it'd be a pain in the butt. If you have to raise it higher, go ahead.
I gotta move the bucket back out. I'm gonna get it more level.
He had to straighten the machine out. There you go. Look at that. Almost like he knows what he's doing. Why does the kid always get the easy job? Con, wake up. Oh geez, I gotta watch what he's doing. Look at that. What jeez. You all set? at that. Watch out, not get too. Yeah. Boy, the hydraulic thumbers, I love it. If you get an excavator, make sure you get the thumb with it.
Alright.
Almost lost my job here. I got fired. I don't want that. But cut one more piece out of it. Then my sawmill's gonna love this. Right in here. Yeah, right there, buddy. Just, but I gotta stand behind it, don't forget.
Is that good right there?
Yeah.